In this video, we'll show you how to install the roof rack crossbars on a Chevrolet City Express. Follow each step carefully and make sure all connections are fully tightened before use. Pre-install. Loosen the square pieces and slide them onto the aluminum bars. Installation. Locate the fixing point. Depending on the vehicle, fixing points may be located on the roof, near the rubber trim, within the rubber trim, or beneath it. The vehicle may have a single fixing point or multiple fixing points, and their shape and appearance may vary. Open the fixing point cap. Place the bars on top of the vehicle and align the brackets with the fixing holes. Insert the bolt and tighten it to secure the bracket. The bracket may also face the opposite direction. The important thing is to align it properly and secure it to the fixing point. Then tighten the bolt that connects the aluminum bars to the brackets. Attach the end cap and secure it to the aluminum bars using a screwdriver. Load stopper installation. Open the end cap and peel back the rubber strip to expose the T-channel. Slide the load stopper into the T-channel and position it where needed. Tighten the load stopper to secure it in place. You can cut the rubber and place it to the uncovered section. The installation is now complete. Make sure all bolts and connections are fully tightened before driving. Your Chevrolet City Express roof rack is now ready to use. To shop this roof rack and explore more vehicle-specific products, visit powauto.com.